guys, welcome back to Handmade. I am Liz, and it might sound cheesy, but cheese balls are one of the best parts of the holiday season. So today, I'm going to show you 3 delicious and oh so cute cheese balls perfect for your next festive gathering. I'm starting with Halloween, and the first cheese ball is a pumpkin. This cheese ball starts with cream cheese, like most cheese balls, and we have 8 ounces here. If you don't have a chance to let it soften to room temperature, just pop it in the microwave for about 15 seconds before you get started. So to make this pumpkin cheese ball, you will need 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1 1-ounce package of Fiesta Ranch dip mix, a half of a bell pepper chopped, and 2 sliced green onions. It works best to mix this with your hands, so I'm using gloves. Once everything is combined, form it into a ball and let it chill for about an hour in the fridge. While you're waiting for the pumpkin to chill, grab a little bit more than a cup of cheese crackers, and I'm just going to crush these until they're a really fine dust. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can do this with a glass or your hands. Just know that the finer the better. Grab your crushed cheese crackers and your chilled cheese ball. Roll the cheese ball in the crackers until it's fully coated. Use the back of a butter knife to shape your cheese ball into a pumpkin. Once you have the spines of the pumpkin, press lightly to create more of a pumpkin shape. To finish this pumpkin, I'm adding some decorations, a cinnamon stick, and some faux greenery. This next one is perfect for Thanksgiving. To make this turkey cheese ball, you will need 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, a cup and a half of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped bacon, a tablespoon and a half of ranch dressing, and a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Once the mixture is fully incorporated, separate it into 2 balls, one slightly bigger than the other. Roll both of those in more chopped bacon. We have about 3/4 of a cup here. Chill for about an hour until firm. To finish off the turkey, layer leaves of sliced cheese and oval butter crackers. Finish off the turkey with more cheese, decorated with edible ink markers. Next up, we have a super cheery and cheesy snowman. For this one, you will need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, a half cup of crushed canned pineapple, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, a half cup of finely chopped green onion, a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of chopped sliced almonds, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. So mix all of the ingredients together. Instead of forming this one into a ball, flatten it out and chill for 2 hours because we need it extra firm. Once it's chilled, roll into 2 balls, one slightly smaller than the other, and then coat with shredded coconut. This snowman needs to sit vertically, so I have 2 lollipop sticks to help support him. Decorate your snowman with peppercorn eyes, mouth, and buttons, a carrot nose, and some faux florals. Well guys, these were easy, cheesy, and they're perfect for the holidays. Let me know in a comment below which was your favorite. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!